Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to allow call logs access on Telegram using the latest settings update. If you're having trouble with call features or want Telegram to work more smoothly with your device, this quick adjustment can help. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control everything related to your device, including app permissions. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as Applications or App Management. Now, you'll see a list of all installed apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find Telegram. Once you find it, tap on Telegram to open its app settings. Inside the Telegram app settings, look for the option called Permissions and tap on it. This section controls what Telegram is allowed to access on your phone. Next, find and tap on Call Logs. This permission allows Telegram to access your call history, which can be important for certain calling features and integrations. You'll now see the available options. Simply select Allow to grant Telegram access to your call logs. And that's it. The change is saved instantly, so you can exit the settings and go back to using Telegram as usual. If you ever want to change this again, you can follow the same steps and adjust the permission at any time. Allowing call logs access can improve how Telegram handles calls and ensures everything works as expected, especially if you rely on the app for voice communication. Thanks for watching.